It's your girl Way
and your boy B.
And we're back with another video, you guys.
With another banger. This is called White River National Park. That water is definitely not white.
I think that's why they be having so many bikes.
Yo, we in the snow for real.
Yeah, it's snowing real bad. But yeah, we're stuck in the snow. We're here till tomorrow morning.
Let's show them the front of the truck.
Go stand by it. But yeah, y'all, my hand's freezing, so we about to go back in. You trying to get Dior to use the bathroom? I don't even know if you should put him in the snow part.
Pee-pee poop. Pee-pee poop. Come on, pee-pee poop.
Our dog don't want to pee nor poop. This is his first time in snow for us, so he like confused. Dior is not fucking with the snow. He like, what the fuck is going on? You cold, Papa? You cold? Look like we in Poolsville. This is literally overnight. Yesterday, it started snowing and it didn't stop. So we're still here in Colorado. Ernie is sick. I'm constipated. So we're gonna find us a truck stop and find some food and be basically done for the day until tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna, I don't know, this vlog gonna be a little short maybe because
Oh, tell them where we going.
oh, we're going to Georgia. Our load is from Colorado to Georgia.
Yeah, to Albany, Georgia. Right off of 75, Tipton, Georgia. Close to the great state of Florida.
After 3/4 of a mile, turn left to
And I'm
Joint
honestly
Highway.
just trying to go home. Y'all pray for us. At least the roads are clear.
You see that big ass snow? In front of our truck?
Yeah, it's falling though. It's an amusement park, y'all. Y'all see the roller coasters. Let us know. How you like driving in the snow?
It's cool, that's cool. You gotta be a little cautious.
Take
But
your
the
time.
roads are clear, so it's okay. You know, I done drove in worse roads than these.
Worser.
Bro, I done drove in some shit, bro, in Tennessee when they plowed the roads. It was so much snow and ice on the road, I was going like 20 miles an hour. Slipping and sliding.
Little Dior is sleeping.
That's why I was Oregon.
Oh my god. So we almost to the Loves, 2 minutes away.
I'm not sure what region
The truck is regenerating.
it was.
Oh, well, we're almost about to stop, so he'll be able to do his thing. Green light.
Man, that shit packed.
I wouldn't trust nobody either. But I don't know. I trust people until they give me a reason not to. All I need is one reason though. Just one. You gonna fool me twice. There's literally trucks everywhere. You getting gas?
Yeah, but I'm gonna park right here to do the regen.
Oh, okay. I'm just regen at the.
Nah,
Oh,
they
you gotta
catch
turn
on
it
fire,
off.
man.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. So we pulled over.
The bottom of the truck is heating up. So it's heating up, and then there's gas that people drop, and that shit could catch on fire. It's real dangerous. That's why a lot of times fuel aisles catch on fire because people do fucking regens there. This is a regen, and a regen is basically when a truck is like overheating. It's not overheating, but it's like heating up, and it's burning all the stool that's made by the DEF system, which is the DEF, which is, I don't know why they make us use it if it can fuck up our truck, and it makes us do this.
Show what it shows on the thing.
Yeah, this is the color.
So we're gonna regen and then get some food and diesel. The year's up. Motherfucker iced out. And then this the fullest we ever seen truck stops this early. Not even finna lie.
It's because nobody want to drive right now.
Yeah. Nobody
Oh,
want to
look at all
drive
the
in the
spots right
snow.
here.
I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't want to drive in the snow either. I wouldn't drive to get out this motherfucker though.
Shit, I remember. It's an advice I got from one of my homeboys. He told me, yeah, I was driving. I was in Pennsylvania, and I was like, bruh, I'm about to shut down because it's starting to snow hard. And he said, hell no, keep going. And I said, why? He said, bro, you gonna get stuck with the snow. He said, you drive through that bitch, you gonna outrun it, you know?
Right. That is smarter.
Yeah.
The diesel here is $3.44.
Drive Street is 319.
But B said he think they put water in the thing, so he ain't going. I ain't going.
Oh, that's the lady who was parked with us yesterday. Then she came over here.
Fuel line backed up. Everybody want to pump some diesel right now, pump some gas.
Might have to go to the motherfucking QT after all.
Ice falling down my truck. My stomach hurting.
You hungry?
I'm going head first into a parking spot. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have to help him get out. There's shit on the ground.
I got him
Disgusting.
something to eat too.
What you got him?
Bacon.
Oh, you got a side of bacon.
Yeah.
So for my breakfast, I'm gonna eat an apple and an orange.
I think I'm gonna stay here. I'm just gonna park normally here.
Okay. And then my bananas, I'm gonna eat probably later. We're probably gonna end up staying here because where we're going, it still looks like this. Like,
And I don't feel good too.
And B don't feel good.
Yeah, so I don't want to go over there and not find no parking.
We finally got out the snow. Hey, 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 hey. What are you listening to?
Huh?
What you listening to?
Oh,
It's like a drill song.
yeah, it's what's your friend name?
My friend?
Diamond's cousin.
Oh,
G30 or whatever.
yeah.
it is.
Curry,
Yeah.
yeah. Ain't gonna lie, he be snapping.
Yeah.
Y'all go fuck with him. We left the Loves because the line was super long, but we found the TA. We're gonna end up getting diesel here. The gas here is $3.81.
Yeah, and it was $3.44 where we was at.
Yeah, the gas was cheaper over there, but it is what it is. This one look like a no wait, no hassle, so
Where the fuck the pumps at?
this might be better.
It said do not enter over there, right?
Where? I'm sure it'll be this way, yeah. Like, taking your time. Ain't we been here?
Yeah, but I never pumped gas here, love.
There's a lot of spaces here.
There's where Dior fell at.
Well, he fell? Oh, at the truck. I'm gonna take him out. Let him use the last sitting room. Oh, he heard me. Look, he up.
Is it this way?
Ready to go shower. We're number 2 in line.
Three.
Well, number 3. We're number 3 in line. We at a Love's right now. We kind of ended our day a little bit early because we started early. Bernie been driving since like 12 in the morning. So, yeah, we just been chilling.
We
You
in
know.
Oklahoma. We 5 hours from Memphis. I'm finna drop way off because you don't want to ride with your boy.
That is not the reason. I have to go home because, y'all, I've been constipated. Like,
She can't.
I've been having a shitty week, okay?
I know, an unshitty week.
Literally.
And she's leaving me with Mr. Dior.
So, B and Dior is gonna be trucking until I come back. I gotta go get myself together. I don't know if I'm gonna have to see a doctor or not at this point. Like, I literally been stuffed for a few days. So.
Hold on, do the pushing.
Fuck you. Gotta go get myself together and I'll be back. So, yeah. Yeah, we getting ready for our showers.
Yeah, we'll show y'all what it looked like inside.
Yeah.
I don't want her to go.
Car baby B. Literally.
This is my happy place.
I need to get to my shitty place.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh.
Doodoo Brown.
Bro, I never been this constipated ever in my life. Like, to the point where I even been taking laxatives and stuff, like, and it haven't been working. On our way to shower, you guys.
Yeah, and way it's cold.
I forgot my jacket.
I tried to give her mine, but she didn't want it.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Oh yeah, look
I
right
feel
there.
so bad for them.
No, not that one.
You do like this.
No, I don't. Why you do that face?
Shower's still not ready. Want a knife?
Yeah, I want that one right there.
We're number 65. So we're next in line.
No, thank you.
So this is the shower. I'm not gonna lie, I love showers more than any other one there is. Like, they actually love the truckers. We love loves.
We love Loves, but they don't love us because their food is expensive.
But it's still, yeah. Every truck stop food is expensive.
Yeah, but we gotta let them know. Don't eat out. Eat in.
Yeah, don't eat out. All right, come on, this is gonna be our thumbnail.
Right.
Stop playing.
Remember it was snowing?
It's gone.
It's gone over there. That's live.
We're finished showering.
Now we're going to sleep. Because it's 8 o'clock.
Alright, we out. So we got Subway for dinner. I'm trying the new wrap, basically like their flatbreads. I got rotisserie chicken, onions, tomatoes, avocado, jalapenos, and pepper jack cheese. He ended up getting a little salad bowl. He trying to eat healthy now, so he got the teriyaki chicken and a whole bunch of veggies. So we about to eat, watch some BMF, and go to bed.
Well, we just made it to the delivery. Well, me by myself. Way is out of commission. You already know what's wrong with her. Oh, we empty. Yeah, we empty. So we just waiting on the paperwork now. Let me get back to you in a few minutes. Walk in the warehouse. The warehouse is like beer cans. So we about to drive off now, then close the doors. We got the bills. That's how we get paid.